What's going on YouTube? Medicase back here, bringing you guys a grand touring POV of my beautiful Toyota Prius. Guys, we gotta make a name for this Prius. Comment down below what we should name it, her or him. I really don't know. But anyways, guys, I hope everyone watching this is doing well. You know, I'm sending you positive vibes and energy through this video, and you know, I'm so grateful to be able to make this. Kind of just pulled into like some random neighborhood. You know, just to get that outside shot. I like starting the video where I'm like outside of the car looking at it and then hopping in. But anyways, I got my radar detector for the speed cameras. Not saying I speed or anything, but you know, rather have it than not, for sure. But it's a beautiful day, as you can see. So let's make a really good video. It's a little hot out, just with the sun and this, you know, dark interior, but you know, the Prius is bae. Oh yes. Yes, we got the open lane, guys. That's a good sign. But as you can see, it's pretty popping today with all these people and all of that. But look at these new homes. Guys, they built these homes, I swear, in like 6 months. Like a whole neighborhood in like 6 months. It's crazy. It's a nice neighborhood too, Willow Ridge. I mean, pretty much this whole area is very nice. I'm very fortunate to be in this area. But, you know, we are out here filming. That was an undercover police car. He probably saw me just filming. It was like, what the heck is on that kid's head? But this is a really nice road right here. This is one of my favorite roads to drive on just because of the scenery. Very calm, very, you know, luscious with vegetation. That tree looks like it's gonna fall. I do not like that at all. It looks like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, but worse. Even this one, guys, it's like in the power line too. Yeah, that's just my thoughts. But anyways, on a positive note, we need more good vibes in this world. You know, I'm sending you good vibes to this video. All I ask is you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not already. I'm trying to post daily. This is trying to be my full-time job. Not even trying to make it a job, but just, you know, full-time employment. I don't have to worry about, you know, working or anything. Just make these videos. That's really my dream. So please support that, and I'll support you guys for sure. I've been looking at my statistics lately. Thank you to all the new subscribers I've been getting. I really appreciate the love. But we are just cruising down this road. I have my foot off the gas, and we're just, look at this, 99.999 miles per gallon, guys. I don't get that in my BMW no matter what. But you know, I'm working on the Beamer. I haven't gotten it safety inspected, and so that's why I've not been really driving it. I still love the Prius, don't get me wrong, but I would probably be driving the BMW. But I'm just waiting on to get the parts fixed. So hopefully for this summer, once it's ready, I'm gonna be vlogging with it. Probably gonna go to other, you know, locations throughout the US. Film myself. I have pretty big plans. But this Prius, guys, this is the old reliable, baby. This is the old faithful, the old reliable. This is just, we need to come up with a name for it. I'm not good with names, but I do support having, you know, like nicknames and stuff like that. I'm probably gonna do a video on Murticus, how I came up with Murticus, but I really like that name, so we're just chilling. As you can see, I mean, it's just a nice little drive, very, very relaxing, very calm. You know, in my area, there's so many people sometimes in some areas, but it's nice to just go out here and, you know, just take a little drive. But we have just, you know, continued to grow and grow and grow, and that's really what I want. I'm so grateful. I'm just honestly so appreciative of the blessings. And, you know, we're gonna, you know, on this channel, I'm not only gonna do education, I'm gonna do like self-improvement. I want to talk about, you know, how you can better yourself. So I guess that's just what I'm gonna do with these car videos, because I have to talk about something. Just like I said, guys, I want to make this a really good community, so just comment down below, you know, what your thoughts are. I respond, I read the comments, guys. I mean, I'm a friendly dude, and, you know, we are just out here to make the world a better place while I'm still here, you know. YOLO, you only live once. So, you know, I'm gonna make the best of my life, and, you know, hopefully, you know, cherish some others too, you know, make them feel better, you know, make this world feel better. So, you know, that's just my honest to God truth, and we are gonna fulfill that. So that's the end of that road. I'm gonna turn left. I gotta be careful because people be flying down this road. Nice little straightaway. And I think I'm just gonna turn around. I don't see anyone coming. I'm just gonna do a U-turn. Skirt. But I love you guys so much. I mean, honestly, y'all are the best, men and women. You know, thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate that people are, you know, taking the time to watch this. I cannot stress it enough. But, you know, I'm gonna make it worth it, guys, like I said, and, you know, we're gonna really blow this channel up, hopefully, you know. I know it will in the end, but I love you guys so much. I don't want to bore you with my conversations, but, you know, positive vibes, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna head back to my area. Enjoy the video. Watch my other content if you've not already. You know, I try a variety of things, and, you know, comment down below what you guys want to see, what I can improve on. You know, I'm super open-minded, and I want to make the best I can be, so I need that input. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Murticus out. Peace.